Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Out here to get some FPV going on my little dusty table right here. Out on the deck, y'all. Was looking for my Beta 75 Pro. The 75 Pro 2, but couldn't find it. So I had to settle for this. The Junior Racer Hybrid. Sheesh, I didn't see this pole right here. Is that new? Always like to fly down in here, a little alleyway, pop out of here. .5 volts. Did a little stall on me. Oops. Battery's not liking that. Uh-oh. Had a hiccup. Let's bring it back in. Hard landing. Way off the mark. I meant to land over here. But quick little FPV flight out here on the deck with the Junior Racer 75 Hybrid. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend.